Good morning, students. Uh, Welcome to the GK class. In GK class, today we will study three chapters. Chapter 36, the environment quiz. Chapter 37, human body, and chapter 38, diseases and doctors. So, chapter 36, the environment quiz. So, we have to check the correct option in this chapter. So, first question is, what is the act of planting more and more trees called? What is the act of planting more and more trees called? Is it deforestation? Is it afforestation or migration? The correct answer is afforestation. Correct answer is afforestation. Second one is, which gas is released during the burning of fossil fuels? The answer is the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is released when the fossil fuels burn. Third one is, which day is celebrated as the World Environment Day? The 5th June. 5th June is celebrated as the World Environment Day. Question 4. Which country suffered a devastating tsunami in 2011? The Japan. Answer is Japan. The Bhopal gas tragedy took place on 3 December in which sun? 1984. The Bhopal gas tragedy took place on 3rd December 1984. Next question is, which of these animal has become extinct due to the climate change? Answer is golden toad. Golden toad become extinct due to the climate change. Next is, which comic character of a Asterix series loves trees? Answer is Dogmatics. Next question is, what is the act of cutting down of trees called? The act of cutting down trees is called deforestation. Which of these can cause an oil spills? Leaking ships. Leaking ships. Last one is, which company was responsible for the Bhopal gas tragedy? So, first one, the Union Carbide is responsible for the Bhopal gas tragedy. Chapter 37, human body. So, our body is like a machine, so which contain a number of parts. So, read the clues and write the names of the associated body parts using the help box. So, first one is the organ. This organ controls all the activities of our body. Which organ controls all the activities of our body? It is the brain. Brain controls all the activities of our body. Second one is, these organs are responsible for the purification of blood. Which organ purifies the blood? Answer is kidney. Kidney purifies the blood. Third one, this organ is responsible for pumping blood to all parts of the body parts. Which organ pumps the blood? The heart. This organ is responsible for the pumping blood to all parts of the body. Answer is the heart. Fourth one, the hole in the eyeball from which the light enters. From the pupil. Answer is pupil. Fifth one, this is the largest organ of our body. Which is the largest organ of our body? It is the skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. F. They add oxygen into the blood and remove carbon dioxide from the blood. Which body part add oxygen into the blood and remove carbon dioxide from the blood? Answer is the lungs. Next one, the organ which hold undigested food in our body. Which organ hold undigested food in our body? Answer is large intestine. Large intestine holds undigested food in our body. Next one is, this is the hardest substance in our body. It covers the tooth. Which part covers the tooth? It is the enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Next one, this is the main organ where food gets broken and converted into nutrients. In the stomach. The stomach is the part where food gets broken and converted into the nutrients. The last one is, it is the digestive gland which produces digestive juices. Answer is the pancreas. Pancreas produces digestive juices. Chapter 38, diseases and doctors. Which of these diseases is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A? Is it beriberi? Is it night blindness or rickets? The correct answer is the night blindness. Night blindness disease is caused by the deficiency of the vitamin A. Second one, anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron. Number third, which one of these diseases is caused by the deficiency of the iodine? Gayatri. Fourth one, which of these germs caused tuberculosis? Tuberculosis is caused by the bacteria. Fifth one, the disease which is caused by the mosquito bite is? It is dengue. Dengue is caused by the mosquito bite. So now here is some matching. Match the name of the following doctors and the types of illness they are associated with. First one who treats heart diseases is A or N? One who treats heart diseases is a cardiologist. Answer is cardiologist. Second one who tests our eye is an optician. Number third, C. One who carries out operation is a surgeon. Surgeon carries out operation. Fourth one who treats skin diseases is a dermatologist. Fifth one, E. One who helps to plan a patient's diet is a dietitian. Dietitian plan a patient's diet. F. One who diagnoses diseases by using X-ray is a radiologist. Last one, G. One who treats eye diseases is a ophthalmologist. So today we finished 3 chapters. Chapter 36, chapter 37 and chapter 38. So you all will complete your chapters in your book and you will learn these chapters also. Okay. Good day, students.